Hi, welcome to eLearning Plus tutorial services. Today we are discussing about the EBS Oracle Financials R12. So let's begin with. This is the login page which you will need to have in credentials. Enter your credentials here and log in. Make sure that you have an expert user rights. Go to main book, journals and enter. A window will appear like this. Just close this find journals window. Okay, now here you see the navigator of main book. They are the top 10 list of items which will be generating an individual videos for each items. Firstly, there is the defined financial report. Its second is the raw set. Third is the column set, which columns you need. Fourth is the post journals, how you post the journals in the system. Fifth is the import journals, how you import the data in EBS Oracle Financials, and how you load in the system. We will be discussing later on. That's the key flex field. It's contain all the hierarchies which are available in the system, all the account codes, all the mappings, which include everything. This is the main field which will be needed, I think, 2 to 3 tutorials. That's the defined content set. You need sometime various reports combined, so when we will use it, this is the auto post criteria. It's mainly used for budgeting when you have multiple journals to be uploaded simultaneously. That's the post journal when you enter the JVs in earlier in system and how you post it. Okay, let's discuss today the defined financial report, how it works. This is the tab. This is the add report. This is the find tab. This is the save button. So let's find P&L. I have generated a report earlier, and let's find it with the percentage sign. Okay, this is the report which I have designed earlier. It consists of everything which is defined in the report, because its name is defined financial report, so everything is defined in it. Okay, this is the title of the report which will be displayed in the report itself while printing, while viewing. This is the description. What you want to enter, you can enter. This is the raws, which raws you need in your reports. Okay, this is the separate tutorials which we'll be discussing later. That's the column set, which columns you need in your report. That's the currency tab. That's the segment override option. Let's explore this. Okay, it contains several hierarchies, which will be earlier we have discussed the key flex field menu. It contains all the mapping. That's the company tab. Let's write here 199. It contains of all the domestic branches. Okay, what this company actually represents, let me tell you. It consists of 188 company and the 100 company, which is the raw company of ABC data, and the adjustment company. And the both companies, the mixture of both the companies is the 199. It's the adjusted company. Okay, just write the business you want in your report. I have just selected domestic branches on agriculture. Either you can write it in segment override, or you can define also the content set as well. So let's keep one thing, or I've already defined domestic content set, so let's remove this segment override. This is the domestic content set, which already contains this 199. This is the optional components. This is the output details which are you need actually. You need which format This is the control values which is usually used for budgeting purpose. Here you can define the books, budget books. It contains of several books as well. For the MTD averages, total statical data, different combinations can be entered here. We will be discussing later. Okay, let's go to submit a request. How to submit a report and submit a new request. Single request I want to submit, so I selected single request. Okay, here we write program and go to end, publish FSG report. The journal is the by default it comes. Here you write the name of the report which you have made it earlier, PNL. You can choose any month which you want, just tab it, and the all data which contains the report, it will automatically appear in here. Choose the currency which you need. You have an option here also to segment override. Here you can also write the agriculture business, because in the domestic content set it only the 199 is defined, so I can override with 199 as well. I can use both the simultaneously, but make sure that both will not clash, otherwise the result will not appear as you want. Just look for the layout, which I've already designed a layout as well. It's B2. I have made a report B2 underscore B4. I want this report to be in million, so I have selected a template for million. Press OK. Here you can also notify the people which you want the report. When it's come, it will be directly delivered to the person. Make sure that the person also uses this Oracle Financial, otherwise it will not go to the email unless you have done any setting. Submit it, and so request ID will automatically generate. You can go to submit request and find it. The report is in running phase. Refresh it. Okay, the report came. Just view it, and okay, the output is ready to appear. Here we go. What we have selected, this is our report. What we have designed, we have the PTD numbers versus the YTD numbers, PTD numbers versus PTD budget, and the variance with the previous month as well. Here is the YTD column with the YTD budget and YTD variance with the YTD same month previous year. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and like our page and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.